Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to work out which of the following numbers is the smallest. Let's first compare A, 2 to the power of 40, with C, which is 4 to the power of 18. 4 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 2. So that's all raised to the power of 18. This can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 2 times 18, which is 2 to the 36. And that is smaller than A. Next, let's do D. D is 8 to the power of 12. And this equals 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of 12, which equals 2 to the 3 times 12, which also equals 2 to the 36, which equals C for the smallest so far. Now the tricky one, B, 3 to the 21. Why is this tricky? Well, all the others are on your 2 power table, but this is on your 3 power table. So let's compare 3 to the 21 to 2 to the 36. So 3 to the 21 versus 2 to the 36. First, notice what happens over here. When I took the square root of 4 to get 2, the power doubled to 36. And when I took the cube root of 8 to get 2, the power trebled from 12 to 36. And that's the principle that I'm going to use in solving this. The problem here is that the base 3 is higher than the base 2, but the power of 21 is lower than the power over here at 36. If we can get the power and the base on one side to both be lower, then we have our answer. So how are we going to do this? Well, let's look at the 3 power table. That goes 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, and that's all I know. And the 2 power table goes 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, etc. Now, what we're looking for here is 2 numbers that are quite close together. And I think we're going to go with 243 and 256. So 3 to the power of 5 is 243. And if we divide 21 by 5, then these terms are equal. So 5 into 21 is 4.2. And over here, 2 to the power of 8 is 256. So let's divide 36 by 8 and we get 4.5. Now we have a situation where the base over here is smaller than the base here, but also the power here is smaller than the power here. Therefore, this must be smaller. So the answer is B. 3 to the power of 21 is the smallest. Did you get it?